In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an assignment delay in Microsoft Project. This is a quick but powerful way to stagger when individual resources start work on a task without changing the task's overall start date. It's perfect when you want a resource to begin a little later for handoffs, prep time, or to avoid overallocation. First, you'll want to switch to a usage view so you can work at the assignment level. Go to the View tab and choose either Task Usage or Resource Usage. Task usage is great when you're thinking from the task's perspective and want to see every resource listed under each task. Resource usage is helpful if you're managing from the resource's perspective and want to see their assignments grouped under their name. Either way, this view displays a table on the left and a time-phased grid on the right, so you can see who is assigned and when work is planned. With the usage view open, let's make the assignment delay field visible. In the table on the left, right-click the header of any column where you'd like the new field to appear. Choose Insert Column. In the field list that pops up, start typing Assignment Delay, then select it when it appears. You'll now see an Assignment Delay column on the left. Keep in mind that this is an assignment level field, so look for the resource rows that are indented beneath each task. That's where the delay value actually applies. If you try to enter it on the task summary line, nothing meaningful will happen. Now, enter the delay for the specific resource assignment you want to offset. Click in the assignment delay cell next to that resource and type a value like 2D for 2 working days, 4H for 4 hours, or 30 milers for 30 minutes. Microsoft Project interprets these using your project and resource calendars, so 2D means 2 working days, not necessarily 2 calendar days. As soon as you press Enter, you'll see that resources work shift to begin after the delay period from the task's start, while the task itself remains anchored to its original start date. This lets you stagger multiple resources on the same task, like having one start immediately and another begin a couple of days later. A few quick tips as you work. 0 means no delay, so you can clear or reset values easily. Watch the right side timescale to confirm the shift visually, and keep an eye out for overallocation indicators if you're spacing assignments to reduce conflicts. And that's it. By using the assignment delay field in a usage view, you can precisely control when each resource begins work, all without moving the task's start.